Hi guys, welcome to Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will show you the overview of Beae, best Shopify page builder. Come on, let's get started. First, welcome to Beae Dashboard. Beae was one of the first apps with a seamless workflow. Use it directly in the Shopify admin. So on the left side, in the dashboard, you will see a page that you can create. Or you can create your own section and pop-ups. Section can be created for your Beae site or Shopify site, which will save you a lot of time. Pop-up builders is also outstanding feature of Beae. Pop-up is a small dialog box that automatically pop up when a user opens a browser or visits a website. The content of the pop-up is usually advertising or providing some useful information. In the template section, Beae currently provides chosen the template for product page, collection page, collection list page, blog page, or blog post page to choose from. If you don't have any ideas, go to the template and immediately search for a template that is suitable for you. At the end is the setting. You can customize the information about your site here. When satisfied or want to share your experience, please give Beae feedback here. The affiliate marketing session will help you increase your passive income. If you refer relatives and friends to install the Beae app by following the link, fill in the information and follow the instructions. If you run into any issues and have questions to answer, don't forget that Beae is available 24/7 via live chat. Instructions for using Beae app are also provided to use in Messenger session. Now, it's time to create new page. Navigate to page. Create new page. You have choose option. If you don't have an idea yet, choose template. The second option, if you already have a section sample or have a template you want to add, you choose Start from scratch to create your own page. I will create a name and click here to create a blank page. Welcome to Beae Page Editor. On the left side of the screen, there will be some features of Beae that you need to note. The first will be elements. Beae currently has these elements that allow you to customize to create a professional page. Next are the templates. If you have no ideas or want to save time to build something on space, like about us, context, video, use them. The navigator will let you see the outlines of the page you are building. SEO is a very important feature. After completing your page building, go to SEO to complete this available tutorial. This will help your customer easily find the page on Google. Finally is the settings. You can switch to dark mode, light mode, and do space setting here. With the top navigator, here is how you to optimize for laptop, tablet, mobile device. This will be to the place to keep your page design as draft when you are not ready to go public. This is undo mistake and redo your change. You can see the space on preview and save the page or public to check the page on live view. Now, let's start building your page with the basic feature of Beae. To give you a quick and easily page builder idea, click Templates here to add a pre-made section. Beae has a huge pre-made section for you to choose from. Next, I add the Beae elements. Click on any elements. Then drag and drop to the position you want. In addition, if you want to change the position of the section, you can drag and drop to customize the position you want. In particular, we also have features that set up it apart from the other. In that you can right-click to delete the section. Page styles, auto-duplicate. After completing the page, reviews, and publish. Alright, that's all you need to know about Beae. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to chat with our support. We are here to support you 24/7. See you next time.